Yo, what's up, world? It's your boy Q and Joe Sapp from the world famous Barbie Show. We are here at the Atamai fundraising luau. It is going down in the Bay Area.
We got an abundance of food. We got beautiful people, and we got some great giveaways and a worthy cause.
Man, we are supporting organizations that support the community, and we coming to a town near you. Barbecue Show, Bay Area, Atamai. Stop playing.
I see you looking, baby. Come and talk to me. If you treat me like a lady, maybe possibly you could rock with me. Gotta be a rock star to come rock with me. Baby, you could rock with me. Gotta be a rock star to come rock with me. You could rock with me. Gotta be a rock star to come rock with me. Baby, you could rock with me.
So the mission behind Atamai, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Our mission is to empower our Pacific Islander youths to carry our mana of our people, our culture, and our traditions into the future. Make sure they have something to hold on to. Our services now are to provide some kind of training or to help our kids get their culture instilled in them, show them who they are, where they come from, and how important that is to their identity, so that they're not identifying with other people, other races, but they identify with who they are, and that all the ancestors that came before them are powerful, and they paved the way for us, and so we need to be able to pay homage to them for who we are, so that everyone outside of us can respect that as well. Under Atamai. You can find us on Twitter, Atamai, or our website, which is www.polyatamai.com.
Well, peoples, you heard it here. The Barbecue Show, Atamai. We in the building, Bay Area, stand up. We here for a good cause. Boy Joe said, stop playing.
So fresh and I'm always on that new girl. And I swear you looking like my new girl. So what you say, come chill with.
If you can remember to register your kids for the camp, you can also download it online, www.polyatamai.com. Thank you.